Alright, scrappers, welcome back to the channel. Want to give you a quick update on taking apart these motors. That one place that these come out of that I know for sure is Ptac units, which are the heating and air conditioning units that fit through the walls in a hotel. And yeah, there seems to be two different kinds. There's the ones like this that I showed you last time, where I used a screwdriver to pry this little tab. I don't know if you can see that. If we could, gotta bend that little tab out, and it was kind of a pain in the butt. And I'm thinking that it might be a lot easier to use a grinder and just grind that tab off. Like so. Yeah, that's going to be the easiest. So if you get them with tabs on, just use your grinder like that, and that'll take care of those. Then you just got to split the case here. I don't know if I'm getting it in the. Oh, where's a hammer for? Is this gonna split for me? All right, that's split. Oh, why are you so tight? It's always so tight. Oh boy, I think it's I don't know. They sure don't want to come apart though. Yeah, they really pack them in there. There. Woo. She came all at once that time. So we got more shred. And look at it. That thing just doesn't want to come off of there. Yeah, so I wonder how we can punch that off of there. I mean, last time I took the thing and cut it, and that kind of worked, but yeah, it's I don't think it's them holding it, that's for sure. I wonder if I can just hold it like that and hit that. Huh. It's getting close. Oh yeah, there she went. I don't know why they make them so tight in there, but they do, so that's our problem that we got to overcome. So yeah, and the other ones, they don't have those little clips. They got the screws here. All right, now we gotta split that one, huh? There we go. That one's going easier. that off of there. We got some kind of rubber gasket going on, but I don't think that's stopping it. It's too bad there wasn't a way to put a punch down in there and just punch it out. But there's really like nothing in there to hit. There we go. That ain't too bad. So, I don't think you really want to see me sit and take the next two apart now that you've seen how those come apart. So yeah, thanks for stopping by the channel again. Hopefully you learned a little something, or maybe hopefully I entertained you a little bit. Be sure to like the video, smash it, tell your friends, all that fun stuff, and watch one of the videos that's on screen now.